Hi friends, good morning. This is Yosha Prakash. Hope you all doing good. Today I choose the topic how to overcome from the jaundice. First of all, I want to explain you what is jaundice. The jaundice is the one type of virus that will come for everyone. It's not for only for some aged person like that. It will come for everyone. In any age it will come. Even for the newborn baby it will come. So, how to overcome from the jaundice? That is our today's topic. So, first of all, the main reason which I learned about the jaundice is you are taking the junk foods. That is the main reason, and not having a proper diet, not taking the food at correct time, and if you have a alcohol habit and late sleep, these are the major things for the jaundice. So, what are the food you can take when you have a jaundice? You have to take a more fiber and protein foods, especially when you have in jaundice. You must totally avoid the non-vegetarian foods. Cannot take any meat, even fish or egg. But you can take all kinds of vegetables, watery vegetables. That is very good for your liver health. The liver will recover very soon when you're taking a green leafy vegetables, and you have to prefer the tablet. It should be Ayurvedic. It's not a English medicine. English medicine, it will not cure completely the jaundice, but in Ayurvedic it will take little bit more time, but it will cure the jaundice clearly. So, what are the things which is very good for jaundice, like juices? You can take lemon juice, you can take watermelon, you can take aloe vera juice, you can take mala juice. Like this, you have to choose the juice and drink daily. If you add these kind of things in your diet, it will help to recover the jaundice as soon as possible. And one more thing, what are the diets which your doctor prescribe? It should be must followed for at least 3 weeks. Once if you've done the diet control for 3 weeks, really it is cure your liver disease and you can overcome from that. But if you are not able to follow the diet, it's became a big risk for your body. So my suggestion, when you have a jaundice, you have to reduce your rice and take the more vegetables, more fruits, and drink the plenty of water, at least minimum 2 to 3 liter of waters, and eat at the correct time. At least morning, if you want to take your breakfast, it should be around 9 o'clock, not more than that. The lunch should be before 1 o'clock, and dinner should be around 8:30 to 9. So if you follow these kind of things, sure you can overcome from the jaundice. And one more thing, if you have jaundice, don't be afraid. It is not a disease. It is just one virus. It will attack your liver. Even some non-drinkers also have affected with the jaundice. Even ladies, childrens. So don't afraid about the jaundice. Please beware of the jaundice. If you have any symptoms, please contact your physician as soon as possible. Don't delay for anything. Once if you contact your doctor, they will suggest more some tablets or any diet control. It is helpful for recover your disease. Thank you so much. Have a good day. God bless you all.